guys, Carrie from Carrie Buys Houses, and welcome to part 3 of the Good, the Bad, the Ugly flipping series. Today we're going to be talking about how to get the most out of your flip. So 3 things I like to consider when getting the most out of our flips is, number 1, I don't want to over-improve or under-improve the house. So if you're concerned about over-improving or under-improving, go back to part 2 where we talk about how to pick out the right materials and fixtures for your flip. Second is we always stage our houses. Buyers have a really hard time picturing where furniture is going to go. And when you walk into an empty house, it feels kind of, I don't know, lonely and cold. When you have staging and furniture, it just makes it nice and cozy. So this is one of our houses here in College Park in Orlando, Florida. We do have this on the market right now, and it is beautifully staged. What we do is we stage all of the main areas, and then we stage the master bedroom. And then again, that's just gonna give it like a nice, cozy feel to the place. And people can really imagine this as their home when they walk in and there's material here. And not material, furniture. And number 3 is we always want to make sure the flip is clean. So we have a professional cleaning company that comes in. You create a lot of dust when you renovate, so we want to make sure all of that dust is cleaned up. And one thing in particular is we have all of our cleaning companies clean all of the windows. So you can make a window look almost brand new just by cleaning it, having someone come in and really clean it good. So those are the 3 things that you want to consider when getting the most out of your flip. That's it for today. Please join us every second Monday of the month for our free meetup. We do live stream it. You can go to our Real Estate Riches Facebook page, like us, and get access to all of the past live streams as well as the current coming up. And you can click on the link above to sign up for our meetup, where you will get access to locations and times. We'll see you there.